We were able to see a 36% increase in lead volume, over 50% increase in conversion rate. All of that came at a 13% reduction in cost for the client.
Hi everybody, this is Josh from Augurian. I'm here with Ben.
Hey guys, Ben Anderholm. I'm a manager on the paid media team here.
Around here at Augurian, we talk a lot about bad digital. Unfortunately, other agencies, freelancers may not have the level of expertise that we do, or they're just not paying attention, kind of asleep at the wheel with their clients. We had an example of this. We took over a pretty big account from a software as a service company. They were spending like 6 figures.
We noticed right off the bat that it just really wasn't getting a ton of attention. Their ads hadn't been updated in 6+ months. They weren't leveraging any new ads that Google had rolled out, hadn't optimized their campaigns. Probably the most egregious one was they had campaigns that had spent thousands of dollars that had never converted, but they never got touched.
Unfortunately, this other vendor was kind of asleep at the wheel.
By giving the account the attention that it needed, we were able to see a 36% increase in lead volume, over 50% increase in conversion rate. All of that came at a 13% reduction in cost for the client.
So if you're a SaaS company and you want to just double check that your existing vendor is doing a good job, call us at Augurian. We can do an audit for you, tell you where the opportunities lie.
We're pretty good at finding bad digital and fixing it.
We'll see you.